Knowledge Center is back with another video on how to start a YouTube channel in 2021. Please subscribe the channel if haven't already, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notifications of our future videos. It's really easy to create a YouTube channel using your Google account. Step 1. Go to YouTube and sign in. Head over to youtube.com and click Sign in the top right corner of the page. Then log in using the Google account you'd like your channel to be associated with. Step 2. Head over to YouTube settings. In the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon and then click Create a Channel. Step 3. Create the channel. Next, you'll have the option to create a personal channel or create a channel using a business or other name. For this example, we'll choose the Use Custom Name option, which is recommended for small businesses and brands. After this step, you'll have the chance to further customize your channel. You'll see options for uploading a profile picture, adding a description of your channel, and adding links to your sites. Congratulations! You've just created a new YouTube channel. Now that you have created your own YouTube channel, you must be wondering, what do I do next? Here are some of our top tips. Tip number 1. Start right now. There are still some people out there who are thinking of starting a YouTube channel and have been for months, possibly even years. Our advice to you is, ready or not, start now. Tip number 2. Learn how YouTube works. The chances are that the first video you make is going to absolutely suck, but you need to gain experience going through the workflow of uploading videos. The last thing you want is having a brilliant video ready to upload, but you don't know how the YouTube system works. Again, experience is more important than any advice any of us can give you, so record a video and upload it to YouTube. Tip number 3. Have a strategy in place that you will actually follow. While getting some practical experience behind you is obviously a good thing, you also want some form of strategy. So, answer these questions you need to ask yourself. Who is your target audience? What do you want your channel to achieve on YouTube? Why should they watch your content? And finally, how are you going to deliver this content? Is it going to be every day, once a week, at a particular time of the day? Think about when your audience is most likely to watch YouTube, and how much YouTube they can watch per week, and then tailor your content to those watching habits, and think about whether you're going to do video on demand, live streams, what's going to be best for you and your audience. Tip number 4. Find your niche. Choose one specific topic when you start your channel, because you need to appeal to a very specific audience. Tip number 5. Right light and audio equipment. If you've just started out on YouTube, and you're wondering what your first tech upgrade should be, it is 100% light and audio. Tip number 6. Verify your YouTube channel now. Verify your YouTube account, and that will give you access to the most important tool on YouTube, which is custom thumbnails. Upload videos longer than 15 minutes and do live streams. Tip number 7. Create an engaging channel art. Do not use generic cityscape or rolling hills in the channel banner. Make your own custom banner. Tip number 8. Write a full about section for your YouTube channel. Introduce who you are a little bit, and then reinforce what the viewer is going to get with even more good stuff in another paragraph. YouTube does search these channel descriptions, so it also helps with your SEO. Tip number 9. Upload a channel trailer video. Make sure you have a channel trailer video explaining what your channel is all about, as not everyone likes to read. Tip number 10. Become part of the YouTube community. When you start to make videos on a particular topic, you become part of that YouTube community. Make sure to join it by watching other people's content, and post comments, add value to the discussion. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope that you find it useful. Please subscribe the channel if you liked this video.